So we'll see how to create an AWS account. So there is a sign up page. You can simply Google it. I'll give you these links in a document. Then I'll give account name. Okay, so I'll just see this verification code passing this video. I got the code. Let me set up a password. Okay. Okay. So let us all create it for personal. Give our full name, record. So I'll just fill these details. You all need to fill your details here. So pass it here. In the next screen, you have to fill your details here, your card details. Better just check what are the like allowed cards from AWS. Like if you some banks it won't allow, so you make sure that you enabled your online transactions, both international and domestic transactions, so it will easily work. So I'll fill my details now. Okay, I have completed my payment details. So confirm your identity. We can give it for personal use since we are learning. Ship type is digital. Visual. Okay, so I have to give any identity here. So okay, we'll go with the same thing. Personal use. I'll fill these details. So after you providing all the details, you will get a support plan here. So you can choose basic support, which is free. Okay. So once you log into your account, you will get a screen like this, and you can choose your region. We'll go in deep inside this region later, and you can create your particular services. Like first, we'll check what are the services available here. When you click all services, you will see the available services in AWS. We're not going to learn all these services, so we are going to learn only the important services which we are going to use in our demo as well as in the real time.